Hello everyone. Today we will see problems on custom duty. So first one, determine the duty payable by Mr. X from the following details. So AV, that is assessable value of imported goods 5 lakh, BCD payable at 10%, goods are liable for safeguard duty at 15%, compensation cess at 28% and IGST at 12%. So, computation of custom duty payable. So, assessable value 5 lakh. Assessable value of imported goods is directly given in the problem. So, assessable value 5 lakh. BCD at 10%. So, BCD is also given in problem at 10%. So BCD at 10% or 5 lakh. So 5 lakh into 10%, 50,000. So next add social welfare surcharges. So social welfare surcharge is not given in the problem, but we must calculate the social welfare surcharges at 10%. So 50,000. So 50,000 BCD 50,000. So social welfare surcharge at 10% on 50,000, that is BCD. So social welfare surcharges 50,000 into 10%, 5,000 plus safeguard duty 5 lakh. Safeguard duty is calculated on the assessable value. So safeguard duty 5 lakh into 15%. 15%. So 75,000. So total 1,30,000. Next add IGST at 12%. IGST is given in the problem. So IGST at 12%. So an assessable value 5 lakh. Assessable value plus 1,30,000, this one. So 5 lakh plus 1,30,000 is equal to 6,30,000. So assessable value 5 lakh plus 1,30,000 is equal to 6,30,000. So 6,30,000 into 12%. So IGST at 12% on 6 lakh, 5 lakh plus 1,30,000. So 6,30,000 into 12%, 75,600. Next add compensation cess on 6,30,000. So 6,30,000 into 28%. 28% compensation cess and IGST 12%. So compensation cess 28%, 1,76,400. So total custom duty payable is 3,82,000. Next, second problem. From the following calculate custom duty payable. So annual value, assessable value of imported goods 33 lakh. Next BCD at 10%, IGST at 18% and anti-dumping duty at 10%. So computation of total custom duty and cost of import. So there is particular and total custom duty, cost of import. Next assessable value 33 lakh. Next plus BCD is directly given in the problem. So BCD at 10% on assessable value. So 33 lakh into 10%. 3,30,000. Then add SWS. So that means social welfare surcharge. So 3,30,000 into 10%. So 33,000 plus anti-dumping duty at 10%. So 33 lakh. 33 lakh means assessable value. 33 lakh into 10%. 3,30,000. Next total 3,30,000, 33,000. Next 3,30,000. So total 6,93,000. So total 33 lakh plus 6,93,000. So total 39,93,000. Next, add IGST at 18% on value of IGST compensation cess. So 39,93,000 into 18%. So 7,18,740. So 7,18,740. So deduct from add 39,93,000 plus 7,18,740. So total 47,11,740. That is cost of import. Total custom duty 3,30,000, 3,30,000 plus 7,18,740. So total 14,11,740. So next problem, compute custom duty payable at assessable value rupees 10 lakh, BCD at 10%, safeguard duty 25%, anti-dumping duty rupees 10 per kg, total imported goods 10,000 kg. So next, IGST tariff on similar goods in India is 12%. What is the cost of imported goods? So we have to calculate what is the cost of imported goods. So particulars, custom duty, cost of import. So assessable value is rupees 10 lakh, then plus BCD, basic custom duty at 10% on assessable value. So 10 lakh into 10%. So 1 lakh. Next, plus SWS means social welfare surcharge. So 1 lakh into 10%. So 10,000. 1 lakh, that is BCD, 10 lakh into 10%, 1 lakh, that is 1 lakh. Then 1 lakh into 10%, 10,000. So total 1 lakh plus 10,000, 1 lakh 10,000. So total 10 lakh plus 1 lakh 10,000, 11 lakh 10,000. Next, safeguard duty at 25% on assessable value. So 10 lakh assessable value, 10 lakh into 25%. So 2,50,000. Next, anti-dumping duty is rupees 10 per kg. So total imported goods is 10,000 kg. So anti-dumping duty is 10,000 into 10. So 10,000 is total imported goods into 10. 10 is anti-dumping duty rupees 10 per kg. So 10,000 into 10, 1 lakh. So 2,50,000, that is safeguard duty plus 1 lakh. Anti-dumping duty 2,50,000 plus 1 lakh, 3,50,000. Next, total 11 lakh 10,000 plus 3,50,000, 14,60,000. Next, that is a 14,60,000 is value for IGST. Next, plus IGST at 12%. IGST tariff on similar goods in India is 12%. So IGST at 12%. So on value for IGST. So 14,60,000 into 12%. So 1,75,200. Next, total custom duty plus and total cost of import is rupees. Total total custom duty 1 lakh plus 10,000 plus 2,50,000 plus 1 lakh plus 1,75,000 is rupees 6,35,200. Next, 14,60,000 plus 1,75,200, total 16,35,200. That is total cost of import. Next problem, from the following calculate custom duty payable. So assessable value of imported goods is 30 lakh. Next, BCD payable at 10%, IGST at 18%, anti-dumping duty is 10%. Calculation of total custom duty payable. So particulars, total custom duty, cost of import. So assessable value 30 lakh plus BCD at 10%. So BCD on assessable value. So 30 lakh into 10%, that is 3 lakh plus social welfare surcharges SWS at 10%. So on BCD, so 3 lakh is BCD, 3 lakh into 10%, 30,000 plus anti-dumping duty on assessable value, that is 30 lakh into 10%, so 3 lakh. So total 3 lakh plus 30,000 plus 3 lakh is rupees 6 lakh 30,000. So total 30 lakh plus 6 lakh 30,000, 36 lakh 30,000 is value of IGST. Next, plus IGST at 18% on value of IGST, that is 36 lakh 30,000. So 36 lakh 30,000 into 18% is rupees 6 lakh 53,400. So 6 lakh 53,400 add 36 lakh 30,000 plus 6 lakh 53,400, total cost of import 42 lakh 83,400. So total custom duty is rupees 3 lakh plus 30,000 plus 3 lakh plus 65,000, sorry, 6 lakh 53,400. So total 12 lakh 83,400.